Hey folks, get ready to have your minds blown. Nature's a total trip, right? And the animal kingdom is seriously where things get wild. Forget the cuddly kittens and majestic lions for a sec. Today, we're diving deep into the weird end of the gene pool, taking a look at creatures that look like they escaped from a sci-fi movie. I'm going to show you the top 10 animals that make you say, wait, that's real. Buckle up. 1. Blobfish. Okay, first up, the blobfish. This guy looks like Jabba the Hutt after a rough night and a bad Tinder date, right? Think pale pink, grumpy face, and a nose like a lumpy potato. These dudes max out around a foot long. The blobfish is basically a living waterbed. Its flesh is like a gelatinous goo, less dense than water. This lets it float around the ocean floor without having to swim. Talk about lazy. Plus, that squishy body can handle the insane pressure weighed down deep without getting crushed. No wonder they've been crowned as world's ugliest animal. 2. Caecilian. Alright, brace yourselves for this one. The so-called penis snake caecilian. I know, that's what some people call it. Scientists in Brazil found these bizarre creatures after draining a dam on the Madeira River. These things are skinny, about 3 feet long, and well, yeah, the name kinda explains the shape. Seriously, look it up online, you won't believe it. Biologists believe it's a new type of caecilian, related to salamanders and frogs, even though it looks more like a snake. Totally bizarre, and could hold some interesting keys to biodiversity. 3. Baldwakari monkey. The baldwakari, aka the red-faced monkey, is rocking a serious permanent blush. Its face is seriously fire engine red, like he just ran a marathon uphill or just saw Chris Hemsworth take his shirt off. That crimson color isn't makeup. It's blood vessels right close to the skin. A bright red face means a healthy monkey, while a pale face could be a sign of illness. These guys are small, about 16 to 18 inches long, with fluffy red or brown fur and a stubby tail like 6 or 7 inches long. They're living it up in the Amazon rainforest, chowing down on fruits and nuts. These monkeys are social butterflies. They live in groups of 10 to 30, chatting and making faces. But here's the thing, the baldwakari is super important for spreading seeds around the Amazon, helping to keep the whole ecosystem healthy. Sadly, they're endangered because of deforestation and hunting. Losing them would mean losing a key seed spreader, which could throw the whole rainforest out of whack. Gotta save these funky-faced fellas. 4. Goblin shark. The goblin shark is like a nightmare come to life. It's got a freaky, elongated snout and a pinkish-gray body because of the blood vessels close to the surface. But the real kicker is the jaws. They're like something out of Alien, able to extend way out to snatch up prey. These sharks can get over 12 feet long and weigh over 460 pounds. Can you imagine seeing that in person? They lurk in the deep ocean where sunlight barely penetrates. These goblin sharks are important regulators of the marine ecosystem. They help to control the number of fish and other sea creatures. Though they are weird-looking, scientists are still eager to study them because they provide a precious insight to deep ocean ecosystem. 5. Sea pigs. Sea pigs, or scotoplanes, are basically giant, walking sea cucumbers. Like if a pig and a slug had a baby, and that baby lived at the bottom of the ocean and always skipped leg day. They creep around the ocean floor at depths of 7,200 to 18,000 feet. They like hanging out with coral, starfish, and other bottom dwellers. These guys can get up to a foot long and weigh as much as your average house cat. They come in all sorts of colors, from pink to reddish-brown. Sea pigs are scavengers. They eat dead animals, crustaceans, and other small stuff. They use their tentacles to find food in the dark. These little guys are like the garbage men of the deep sea, cleaning up dead stuff and keeping the ecosystem balanced. Somebody's got to do it. 6. Bush viper. The bush viper lives in the tropical forests of Africa. This snake is a chameleon master, blending in with its surroundings like a ninja. Talk about a camouflage pro. Bush vipers have short, stocky bodies covered in rough scales. Their color can change depending on where they live, from brown to green to gray to black. The viper's skin can modify its color by constricting and dilating its pigment cells. They're ambush predators, using their camouflage to sneak up on prey. They eat small animals like lizards, frogs, rodents, and birds. When it spots a potential meal, it'll quickly strike, biting and injecting venom. Bush vipers are important for keeping small animal populations in check. Unfortunately, they're threatened by deforestation and hunting. 7. Pelican eel. The pelican eel is a rare, deep-sea creature that has been occasionally caught in fishing nets. It's the only known member of the genus Europharynx and the family Europharyngidae, and it's related to the true eels in the Anguilliformes order. It's also known as the gulpa eel or umbrella mouth eel. This eel is known by its large mouth that extends to the gills, resembling a pelican's beak. Its tail is long, capable of glowing, attracting prey in the dark ocean. Living in the cold and high pressure of the deep ocean, the pelican eel can catch prey with its huge mouth and flexible body. Their food source includes small fishes, crustaceans, and squids. 8. Red-lipped batfish. The red-lipped batfish is one of those awkward animals that's actually real. They don't win any beauty contests, but they're unforgettable thanks to their bright red lips. They look like they're wearing lipstick after a night out. These batfishes can't swim. Instead, they walk along the ocean floor using their pectoral fins, which are very flexible. Imagine seeing that while diving. Still, these batfishes can move fast despite their appearance. The red lips are only for attracting the opposite sex. They look like a bat with small eyes and a flat face. 9. Thorny devil lizard. The thorny devil lizard has an intimidating look with its spikes all over its body. And also, they have a false head to trick predators. Talk about a good defense. The average size of the thorny devil lizard is around 8 to 12 inches, and its weight is 2 to 4 ounces. The color of the lizard is in shades of brown, which help them to adapt in the desert environment. The color of the lizard and its spikes is beneficial in the desert environment. The spikes are used for predator defense and also protect them from the desert environment. The brown color helps them camouflage in the environment. These lizards absorb water from any part of their body. Whenever there is rain or fog, the lizard's skin can absorb the water. Thorny devil lizards are an essential food source for snakes, birds, and foxes in the desert ecosystem. 10. Salpa maxima jellyfish. The Salpa maxima jellyfish is a translucent jellyfish that can be found off the coast of California. Because of its transparent texture, the jellyfish can defend itself against predators. The jellyfish pumps water to move its body. When looking inside, you'll see a single yellow dot which contains its internal organs. These jellyfishes can reproduce asexually and sexually. Asexually, the Salpa maxima can reproduce offspring that connect together to form a chain, moving as a pack. When the jellyfish reaches maturity, they are able to reproduce sexually. The fertilized egg then attaches itself to the sea floor, waiting for the larvae to come. Ecologically, the jellyfish is also a source of food for sea creatures and mammals. And also, these jellyfish help filter seawater, which maintains a healthy ecosystem. So, there you have it. 10 real-life animals that are stranger than fiction. I want to hear from you. Which of these weirdos do you think is the most bizarre? Drop a comment and let me know. And remember, this is just a tiny glimpse into the amazing, crazy world of animals. There are tons more strange creatures out there waiting to be discovered. If you know of one, let me know in the comments. If you want more mind-blowing content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more awesome videos. See you next time.